Hey, happy Friday, 3B. Okay, so today your math work is going to be super fun. So, all year I've been making math stations for you guys. I've been super creative, and fortunately, I have one at home that I was working on for you guys. And this one that I was making is math Jenga. I got this I got the Jenga, or it's called tumbling tower. I got this at Dollar City and it was really cheap. It was like 3 or 4 mil. And it's really small. It's like a mini Jenga. And I wrote all these math problems on the Jenga pieces. But I wrote them on the inside, so you don't know which one you're going to get. So you would play with like a couple of partners, the way this game would work. And you would play just like Jenga, but when you get your piece, here, I'll show you what it looks like. So you'd play with some friends, your family, whoever you're at your house with. You pull out your Jenga piece. Each person gets to go. And on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, you pull out your Jenga piece. Okay, mine is 110 plus 678. So then on your piece of paper or whatever you have, let me get a piece of paper. I would have to do my math problem before the next person gets to go. All right, so I wrote down 110 plus 678. 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, then I gotta put my Jenga piece on top. The next person gets to go. They're gonna go. They're gonna pull one off of the tower carefully without knocking it over. And they get a different math problem. There's addition and subtraction in here. You could do multiplication. You could do all different sorts of things. So that's how that game would work. This was one that I came up with. I've come up with a bunch of different games this year, like those little multiplication puzzles. I've come up with like the time game where you got to use like the flick and then you got to add or subtract time depending on that to the little clock. Card games, all sorts of things. So I'm curious what kind of games you guys can come up with the things that you have at your house today. So this is one that I came up with, was something that I had at my house. I'm looking forward to seeing how creative you guys are with the things that you have at your house. I want you to try to think of something that no one else will think of in the whole class, a game that you and your family can play. So the first thing you're going to do is think of your game, think of the rules. If it's going to be practicing multiplication, subtraction, addition, create your game, and then play with your family. Share the rules of the game, share a picture of the game with us, and share a picture of you guys playing. Okay? And if it's something other people can play, that would be really great too, because we can use it in our math time. Okay. So have fun making your game. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.